Ever wonder what goes into an auto body repair after a collision? Here are Auto Body Xperts' 6 steps for repairing your vehicle to pre-accident condition. One of our Xpert estimators will examine your vehicle to determine the severity of the damage and prepare a free estimate. Once the estimate is completed, our trained professionals can assist you with filing a claim to your insurance company for approval of the estimate. Your vehicle's frame will be electronically measured by our Xpert frame repair technicians to check for and repair any structural damage. After all structural repair is complete, we return damaged panels to its pre-accident condition. All work is inspected and tested to ensure quality. Your vehicle will then go to our Xpert paint department for all paint preparation and application. During the repair process, the vehicle accumulates dust from the repairs. Our Xpert detailing department will detail your vehicle to make sure it's clean and ready for you. Visit your local Xperts or check us out online at autobodyexperts.com for a free estimate.